Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will show you how to actually create a XML sitemap inside your Python. So I have written a Python script which will go to a website and generate the sitemap. So here you can input any website. Let's suppose I take my example freemediatools.com. I input this website here. So it will go to this website and crawl it each page and create a XML sitemap. So if I just run this Python script here, so now what happens, you can see sitemap is created and saved as sitemap.xml. So you can see that if I open this, each page has been crawled and this XML sitemap you can see has been created. So each page has been crawled and it is present inside this XML sitemap. So this is a very useful Python script, guys. I have given the script in the description of this video. So you can see that this is exactly this is actually the website here. It has gone to this website and has crawled each page and created this XML sitemap. So for this Python script, we are using a library called as BeautifulSoup. So if you go to this, just search for this package, which is BS4. This is BeautifulSoup. Just search here, BeautifulSoup. Yeah, so this is actually the library here. It's a web scraping library, very much helpful for, yeah, so we are using this one. So the command is simple, simply install this, and now I will create this Python script step by step. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to import the necessary packages. So import request, and then we also need to import the BeautifulSoup library from BS4. We need to import BeautifulSoup, and then from xml.e3.elementary tree we need to import or as et, and then after that we just need to use the url lib library dot parse, and from this we just need to say url join url parse. So we actually imported all the necessary packages here. You can see now what we need to do, we need to actually uh, just call a inside our main function like this. So here we are creating, specifying a URL. So you can provide any URL. So I'm just providing https freemediatools.com, and then we are creating a simple custom function create sitemap, and we are passing this site URL as a first argument, and the output file name which will get created sitemap.xml. So now we need to define this function which is create sitemap, so which will be responsible for creating this sitemap. So just define this function create underscore sitemap. So it will be accepting the URL and the file name which will be sitemap.xml. So this is actually a Python function, and here we specify another custom function where we need to fetch all the links of this website. We are providing this URL as an argument here. So now we need to define this function get all links. So get all links. The primary objective of this function is to fetch or crawl all the pages which are present in this website. For doing this, we are using this request module, which is a built-in module inside Python. We have this get method. We will simply go to the URL, and then from BeautifulSoup we will initialize this web scraping library and pass this response which is coming response.content comma html.parser. So this needs to be in single quotes html.parser. So what we are doing right here inside this function, we are first of all opening this website, we are getting the response right here. After that we are initializing this BeautifulSoup library, passing this response, and the second one is html.parser. So this will, now we need to extract all the links. So for this we'll be creating a new set, and we'll be using a simple for loop. So here we are finding all the anchor tags. So we are using this find all method inside BeautifulSoup, and we are searching for this a tag, and after that we are storing it inside like this href. So in this code we are simply searching for all the links which are there inside this website one by one, and we are storing it inside this link variable, and then the full URL is will be equal to URL join. We will take the URL and the link. So this will, and then we will simply check here if full URL starts with, so this, if the full URL starts with HTTP, then we need to add this link by using full URL, and then we just need to return all these links. That's all. So that's all this function does. It goes to the website, searches for all the anchor tags one by one, and then return all the links from this. That's all. So if you need this full script, guys, the link is given in the description. And now after getting all these URLs, if I print this and if I try to run this script, so now if you see, it will return all the links which are there inside this website. So it has crawled the whole website using BeautifulSoup, and now we just need to create the sitemap. For creating the sitemap, it's really easy. We use this ET module. It contains element, URL set, XML, NS is equal to HTTP. So we just create this XML structure inside this URL set. After doing this, now we just need to run a simple loop where we add all these links one by one inside the sitemap. So this is little bit complicated code, but just copy it, and after that your sitemap will be generated. You can see that we are adding this URL element to the location attribute, and location.text is equal to link. That's all. After that, now we just need to save this XML file. For saving it, we have this et.elementtree URL set and tree.write, and here we'll write the file name. Encoding we will provide, encoding is UTF-8, and the third argument will be XML declaration to be true, because this is the XML file. Then you can simply print that XML sitemap generated. You can check. So let me just now delete this. You can do this with any website. So again, if I run the script, so you will see XML sitemap generated, and you can see our sitemap.xml file is generated, and you can see it has crawled the whole website. So you can see it's really quick. It's a really useful script, guys, because sitemaps, XML sitemaps are necessary, because if you want to index your website in SEO, search engine optimization, then it's really useful. You can do this really easily using this Python script. You can take any example website and it will scrape all the pages and add this to your XML sitemap. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.